good people of the internet. Welcome back to the channel. Today we got some Lexus content. So I was doing a video on installing a roll cage in this car.
Is anybody there? Does anybody care what I'm
That's the cage.
feeling?
Okay, so prior to this, I actually had the entire down.
Cause I could use a hand sometimes.
So
yeah, I could use a hand sometimes. They say pain is an illusion. This is just...
As you can see, I got a nice tasty roll cage. And I'm moving the whole car and everything's legit. So yeah, I'm gonna get the oil changed. We're gonna get some tires mounted. And then this weekend, I'm gonna go drifting. We're after a brilliant start. We've actually shredded 2 tires and we're not even got to the track yet.
You're hungry.
We're broken down on the side of the road. Simon's twerking. We're waiting for the tire dude. Neither of us brought spares because we're too cool. So yeah, we're just waiting on Cuzzy Bro to come down and...
Let's go! Tonight we're going hard. Just like the world is ours. We're tearing it apart. You know we're superstars. We are who we are. Barging like we're our bodies going we'll be forever young. You know we're superstars. We are who we are.
Today, 28 degrees outside, so just ripped the 360 and blew the bumper off, but it's fucking worth it.
Good morning. It's hotter than drive you crazy. So you're behind the wheels.
Another successful day done. Car survived the whole day. Maddie had a fuel leak, but we're on our way home.